I have been on a hunt for quite some time to find some dog treats that do not have any chicken or fish in them because our little Walter here is allergic and then it just gives him some stomach problems. So I came across these and they look fantastic. They're biscuits with apple and mint. He loves apple. I don't think I've ever given him mint before. They do have lots of different flavors. He tends to be a little bit picky sometimes, so I'm interested to see if he's going to eat them. But I was very, very happy to see that there are no chicken or fish ingredients. Let's give it a smell test. What do you think? They actually smell really good. Would it be bad if I tried it? I'm not going to, but it smells delicious. I love the shape, the little dog bone. Oh, look, he can't wait to get in there. Look at that. Ooh, I love the size of them. Very, very crunchy. I can hear that crunch. He's definitely a fan, and these will be great. Like I always give him a little treat when I'm heading out the door because I feel guilty, and these are the perfect size for that. So I'm happy he likes them, and I can't wait to try the other flavors.